Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large file or videos in WhatsApp. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first you have to just simply update your WhatsApp application first. So for that you have to just simply open up Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp and make sure that your WhatsApp should be updated. So after updating the WhatsApp, you have to just simply open it. So after opening up, you have to just simply open up the chat in which you want to send the WhatsApp large files. So after opening up the chat, now you have to just simply click on this pin icon which is right next to camera button. So after clicking on this pin icon, it will allow you to a pop-up menu will appear. So in this pop-up menu, you have to just simply select the first option, which is document. So after selecting the document, you guys can see it is providing you such kind of interface, but you don't have to worry about it. You have to just simply click on browse document, which is the first option. So after clicking on that, now you have to just simply, you guys can see it is open. It has opened up the your phone gallery. So you have to simply click on the top left corner of 3 horizontal lines. So after clicking on that, now you guys can see it has providing us lots of categories. So you guys can, if you want to send the large image, you guys can select the images section. You guys can select the audio, documents, downloads, or any other file. Or if you don't able to find any specific file or folder, you guys can just simply click on your device by just clicking on your device name, and here you will be able to find all of the folders, and you guys can access any of the specific file, and you guys can send any of the file by just clicking on that file. So assume that I just want to send any image, and after that you have to just simply click on the image. Assume that this is the large file and I want this to send in on WhatsApp. So you have to simply select the first image and click on next, and in this way you guys can send even GBs of data through WhatsApp. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.